on my camera. Okay, welcome. Yeah, our viewership, Kevin, he's gonna leave his shirt on, I think, for this one. But maybe next week he'll do it naked. Just joking.
I'll go shirtless next week.
I mean, you're going too fast.
So fast.
Okay, so I want to show you. That's the magic light trick.
Look.
For those of you who don't know what the magic light trick is, where have you been? Do you even follow me?
It's a magic light trick.
Okay.
Can I start?
So, this is the temporary wallpaper that we have up in this room, and we are taking it down because we have a little damage here because of this chair. Okay, so he's taking it down. This is how it just comes right off. Everyone always asks me if it damages your wall. No. It's just peeling right off. Ask questions you have. Oh look, hopefully our wall's not damaged. Is it okay?
The wall? Yeah.
Well, the nice thing is the wallpaper kind of protected it. I have like furniture pads we're going to put on the back. Look, we have a light pointing. Okay, so he's peeling that off. So this wallpaper is the faux brick, and we got this one just at Target. It's from the Divine Color series. And the main thing is, yeah, we're so high tech. Hopefully we're not behind. So you can see, I luckily had this random piece in my basement, and it actually fits perfectly in this spot. Isn't that crazy, Kevin?
So crazy that she has stuff in her basement.
That I have stuff in my basement. What you're doing, Kevin?
No.
Here.
I'm ready. Switch out?
Yeah, you switch. I'll take over. And match up your patterns. So this is just pretty basic. And I'm not going to get too worried about matching it exactly because the chair is hiding it anyways. And I don't have a lot of wallpaper. This is all I have left. So I'm just going to try to match up the lines. So I just make sure I'll start it right there. And I'm not going, what I would do is just trim it. So it's about to size, but I'm not going to cut it exactly. So I'll show you what I do. My hands are dirty from another painting project. Anyone have any good questions, Kevin?
Paige had a question. She wants to know. Yeah, she wants to know if you like that line from Target. And then she said.
What line?
Oh,
Divine?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have.
She loves it. Melissa loves it too. Melissa loves it. Is that how you're supposed to do it?
Yeah, be fun, Kevin. Okay, so I peeled off the back, and then I'm just going to match this up to the top, and then I just have to make sure it's straight. And then I'm going to just sticker the sticker over this one, and then I'll cut it after. You guys can see how easy this is to work with. You just want to make sure, is that straight, Kevin?
It's straight.
So you just want to make sure it's straight.
Hey,
Where's my other tool?
Jay is here.
Okay, so then this is from another company, wallpaper company, but you can just use any. They sell these like at Home Depot, and you just want to kind of smooth it as you go, or use the soft side to get out all the bubbles, and then go right in that edge. And smooth it up.
Holly just said I'm way better at this than you are. Thanks, Holly. I think so too.
You? Or her?
No, I'm much better than you at this.
You are pretty good. Is that straight? So then we'll just go down. I'll try to do this speedy, fast for you.
I know the answer to this one. She asked if you would use it on a slightly textured wall.
What do you say?
Some people say no. Brooke says yes. It looks good. It's not a problem.
You're like my biggest fan, Kevin. But right here, see, we got like a little weird ledge. So I'm just gonna kind of pull it up and use my razor and cut around it. This is a bad razor, it's really dull.
Sydney, yes, you could use it on the ceiling. No.
What?
She asked if you could use it if it sticks on the ceiling.
Yeah?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so there's kind of a piece. And then when you're cutting on the sides, you just want to make sure and use one of these so you don't cut into the wallpaper. So I'm just going to razor blade to make my cut. Same with up here. To cut it off, I just use a razor blade and make my cut. Same, and then with the outlet, do not shove this in the outlet hole.
Don't
that would
shove
be
it.
dangerous. So I just kind of cut around it. Basically like that.
Well done. Easy enough.
And then you'll smooth it down and then use this to trim it up.
Perfect.
So hopefully that...
All right, good night, guys. No.
Okay, looks pretty good. I put back the chair. Then I also added some furniture pads to the back of the leather so it will not happen again and damage the wall. But it turned out great. I just think I made sure to match up the patterns well on the top and don't get too concerned with the bottom because I was at my last bit of wallpaper. I'll just show you up close. I love this stuff.